Hi, my name is David Gawler. I got 7 years IT experience, corporate IT experience. I'm fully certified in Microsoft, Linux, Unix, Linux, IBM, and Cisco. I've got an interest in obtaining my Mile 2 security certifications as well. So I want to get certified with, I guess it's a Mile 2 security CPT, S, and CEH exams and certification. And also got an interest in getting my BCP virtualization VMware certification as well, the VCP. Today I'm going to talk about the compatibility mode in Windows Internet Explorer 9 features and why this might occur sometimes. I had a few clients this morning have the compatibility view mode come up and a few errors associated with this update in Internet Explorer 9. Sometimes the website you're visiting doesn't look like quite right when it shows up as a jumble out of space menus, images, and text boxes. What's going on with this one? Well, pretty simple explanation with this is the site might have been designed in early versions of Internet Explorer. If Internet Explorer recognizes that the web page isn't compatible, you'll see a compatibility view button on the address bar by clicking on it. To click on it, you can't actually see the toolbar actually by default when you reset the settings and install Internet Explorer 9. So once you go to view on the top bar where the file, edit, favorites, and tools and help options are, you can simply just press the Alt key, ALT key, and then you can go to File, Edit, View, and you can then go to compatibility mode. I believe it's in Tools, Favorites, Tools, and then Compatibility View. Click in the compatibility view and then press F5 on the website, and the incompatible website with Explorer 9 is designed for an older version of Explorer 9, so maybe something like Explorer 7 it might show up in that. But as far as the compatibility option goes, you should see a little blue kind of very small icon down the bottom right when the compatibility mode button is activated, and all activated and ongoing when you visit websites. You can set certain websites to always display compatibility view, or you can display certain websites to only display compatibility mode. So if you only wanted to display something like Microsoft.com in compatibility mode, then all you'd have to do is go to Tools and Compatibility View Settings. And in there I've just got websites you've added to compatibility view. I've just got paymate.com, and I don't think paymate.com is compatible with Explorer 9 yet. Certainly wasn't for a client of mine this morning, but if you add it to your compatibility view settings, makes Paymate work, and all is well. You can also include updated websites list from Microsoft and display internet sites in compatibility mode. These options should all be ticked by default. Display all websites in compatibility view mode. You can use display all websites in compatibility view mode, but I'd recommend against it because it'll utilize all the previous versions in Internet Explorer 6, 7, and 8. But if you got compatibility mode always turned on, then unfortunately some websites might appear a bit weird and a bit strange. But it's always good to have the latest version of Internet Explorer available and installed and activated, I guess. In this case, I'm using Internet Explorer 9. If you've got any problems, please contact us, and we should be able to figure out why you're having an issue with compatibility mode. But it's certainly, if it's not in the list or it's not turned on, then it's going to be failing quite heavily on the compatibility mode, especially if it's not in the list. If it's not in the list, then it's more than likely not going to work, especially with an update with Internet Explorer 9. installed. But if it's in compatibility mode and it's activated and turned on, then you should be able to view the web page that you've always wanted to view. If we go to Alt again, and we can press the Alt key, go to menu bar, tools, menu bar, click on the menu bar and click status bar. These two options will allow you to have your previous version look like you've always had it, with the menu bar at the top and the status bar at the bottom of the page. I hope this has been informative for you, and thank you for viewing, and have a nice day. Thank you. Thanks once again.